This one has caught lots of fish and has been hammered. I've been towing it around now for 2 or 3 days and nothing. So this is what it looked like new.
Came through the hole in the wall yesterday, and then we turned north to find a nice safe anchorage for the night, and that's where we are now, but it doesn't appear to have a name. And we're going to spend a little time here, and then later today we're going to head north even further and just have a look around, see what's up there, and then perhaps turn back down over the next few days and just check the anchorages out. Very peaceful here. We're tootling along at about 2.5 knots, and we've got, or Magnus has got, 2 lines out. We've got the purple meanie on the starboard line on the handrail, and we've got the apparently the squiggly diddly on the port rod. So we're hoping to catch fish. We haven't caught anything for a few days. We have tried. We're in a really good fishing area, so hopefully we can catch a fish. This is the other rip in the Wessels, or the Wessel Islands. It's a lot wider, but it's way more technical. We might go through it at some point, but not today. We're going that way today. Over there's Hopeful Bay.
Apart from your standard Rapala lures and your Halco lures, we've always had success with just these squidlies. Just a squid with a tail, bit of a skirt and a hook, single hook. This one has caught lots of fish and has been hammered. I've been towing it around now for 2 or 3 days and nothing. So this is what it looked like new. You can't really see with the background there. Here we go. That's a new one. So I'm going to put that on now, and that's going to hook up pretty well straight away. Whereas this old girl, she's had her life, I think.
Magnus is out there fishing. I think he's trying to get a coral trout, but he'll definitely get a queenie. And I'm ready here. As usual, we're the only boat here. And the sun's just going down on another day in the Wessels.
Big old lichen.
So Magnus came back with
Two coral trout.
2 coral trout, 1 blue bone,
2 blue bone.
and 2 blue bone. Magnus is going to take me fishing. No fishies.
Caught lots today.
Yeah.
On this evening.
Well, Magnus brought me out to teach me how to fish.
We'll get there.
Gonna go and clean the bottom of little peanuts. Over here somewhere. Nearly finished 1/2. Yeah. Getting there.
I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just out fishing and I'm drifting straight towards a massive manta ray. I just saw the tips of the wings of it. So I'm just going to slowly drift towards it. And it's massive. Let's go down now. It's right next to me, it's come over so low. It's gone down deep now. Oh well, bit of excitement. Yeah, copy loud and clear.
Yeah, nutshell, waterfalls, can I speak with you on 7-2 quickly? 7-2 over.
Yeah, going to 7-2.
Nutshell, waterfalls 33 on 7-2, how do you copy it?
Yeah, loud and clear. How are you this afternoon?
Yeah, not doing too bad. Some decent weather and a nice view coming down the Wessels here. Just a quick couple of questions. Just want to confirm you guys are still go for Darwin, over?
Yeah, both of us are still heading to Darwin.
Yeah, copy that. I'm assuming the crew from Vanuatu are on your boat at the moment, over?
No, they're on their boat, but I'd say they're having a kip.
Yeah, can't say I blame. Be a good day for it. I got no further questions for you, mate. So you guys enjoy your time down there and you're sailing to Darwin. This is Border Force 33 going back to 16 out.
No worries, mate. Thank you very much for the work you do. And nutshell back to 16.
It's
ledges that you can see from the dinghy, because we can't go on shore here. It's Aboriginal land, so we're going to go and see if we can see some from the dinghy.
And where are we?
On the Wessels in Jensen Bay, up here in the northern part of the Wessels.
How many overhangs are there?
No.
Pandanus.
Yeah. Oh, it's cold. Oh yeah. I was just having a shower on the front deck of the boat. Oh, it's cold. I saw about maybe close to 4 metre croc right about here. Our first croc of the trip. So yeah, we're in the north now because we've seen our first croc.
There's rock wallabies here. I just saw one hopping across the rocks. Can you still see it, babe?
Yeah.
Where is it?
No, it's just been gone.
I'm gonna go and check out over there.
Trying to tell us to nick off.
Yeah, I reckon. A bit stuck for a minute there.
Only a minute.
Magnus is gondolering me out. They're like prehistoric, aren't they? Bit of a poke around these beautiful rock formations.
Absolutely.
They're amazing.
Stunning. Yeah, it's absolutely stunning formations. We just took the dinghy and went right in amongst them. It's just beautiful.
Yeah, like stepping stones.
Yeah. What are you up to, Wendy?
I'm going to make enchiladas for dinner. So when we were in Weipa, you may remember that we canned just a savoury mince, so I didn't put any extra flavours in it so that we can make it into all sorts of different things. So I'm going to use a couple of just these, because whack it in there, fry it up, put it in the pot, blah blah blah, and we're going to have enchiladas for dinner.
Show me the thing you made. Open
yeah,
it. You got to
this
open
one.
it.
Okay, all right. So here it is. Weipa. So that was 19th of the 8th. We're now September. Oh, 19th of September.
Yeah. So it's a month old.
So yeah, it's a newie. Apparently this is how you open them. Maybe.
At the top of the thread, like around there.
Around there.
See where the top of the thread goes?
Sort of. That's
right there.
damaging it.
Yeah, that's right. You can't reuse the leaves.
Oh, okay. There it goes.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, the nice pop, so you know it's well sealed.
There it is.
Look at all the goodness. They're going to be beautiful enchiladas.
Oh, that smells just like spaghetti bolognese sauce. So yeah, pretty happy. Gonna put some kidney beans in, gonna put some corn in, some rice that we have, wrap them up, throw on the enchilada sauce, throw on some cheese, put it in the oven.
Lovely.
Done. I'll show you when it's finished. Job done. Now I'm just gonna put it in the oven and then dinner will be ready.
Yay!
It's just come out of the oven and we're pretty hungry. We haven't eaten since breakfast.
Looks pretty good.
It does.